down and dirty. How do we put a picture into a wiki? Here we go. So we log into our wiki, and in the upper right hand corner we have the edit button. Click that once. And wait for the toolbar. Toolbar. Once we get that, make sure you click your mouse where you want the image to go. Then up to the toolbar, start on the right hand side, far right side. You're going to slide in, and it's toward the right, next to the chain link fence, the little chain link. There it is. It looks like a picture of the mountains with the sun in the background, or it could be the moon. I guess that's potato. Click on that icon. And down below, because this is a terribly designed interface, you see insert image. You get a pop-up box. Now this is terribly written and designed. It says source. So your immediate thought is, what? I can only do something online? No. Across from source, look, there's the little browse button. Doesn't say it's the browse button, but it is. Now we've got upload file. Okay, browse, select the image from your computer. I'll upload the boys. Click OK. Now while that's loading, let me tell you flat out, image description, you should put in a word or two. Why? Because anybody with ADA accommodations who's using software to help with a visual processing issue, that software will read the image description so they have a better understanding, because it could be very fuzzy or they may barely be able to see anything but an outline. So, Dr. K's boys, all right? No more than 3 or 4 words, no manifesto. Do not worry about dimensions. Don't worry about it. I'm going to show you how you fix the size once it's in, okay? So don't mess with this. Click OK. Now the picture loads in, and your initial thought is, ugh, it's huge. Hang on. Look, I click on it once, and in the corner, you want the corners, okay? You can't even see the corner on that side. Put your mouse on it. See how the icon changes? Drag it down. And you'll have to do this several times. It's okay. Or several hundred, depending on how big your picture is. No harm, no foul. You'll get there. La la la. Make sure you only use the corners. I'm begging you, see how there's one here? Every side has a little box as well as a corner, but you only want to drag in the corners so it doesn't skew the proportions of the image. If you drag this way, it's going to make it all flat and squatty like in a funhouse mirror. So just do this with the corners. Once you get it to a size you like, if you want to type anything underneath it, you can. I usually put my typing in first and then click my mouse above it. Click Save. Ta-da! Now, it's editable. Let's say I look at this and go, it's still too big. No worries. I will simply click Edit again. Click on it and drag from the corner to make it a little bit smaller. There we go. And there they are, my Beastie Boys. So that's all you need to do. Click Edit. Put your mouse where you want the image to go. Toolbar, start at the right, work your way over. Insert, edit image, looks like a picture next to the chain link fence, right? Click that. Get a pop-up box. Click the little icon on the right. Browse your computer. Make sure whatever you put in, you give it a word, no more than 4. Image description. Leave dimensions alone. All right? Then when you have your giant picture, you can resize it by simply clicking on it, moving it up, moving it down. Only use the corners. Don't use the sides or you'll skew the picture. That's all there is to it. Okay, bye.